Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the controller aim sensitivity in System Shock 2. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the options, then we're going to go to the control tab and then scroll down to the controller section and find aim scale. So this is basically the scale of your both look speed controls. So when you're in aiming, this is half of the normal sensitivity. So for example, if I have let's say 2 on both of the options, the aim sensitivity will be basically 1. But if I raise it, for example, to 1, it's going to be the same sensitivity as the normal look speed. So once you've adjusted the sensitivity to whatever option you want, you can just exit out the settings and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.